Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use GNC Mass Gainer Easy Method. Mix 1 scoop with 12 ounces of water or milk, stir briskly for about 30 seconds, and drink it within 10 minutes. For best results, combine with a balanced meal that has protein and complex carbs, and use it once daily on training days. Adjust serving size based on calorie needs and track progress weekly with a simple log. After mixing correctly, timing matters for gains and recovery. Take your GNC Mass Gainer within 1 hour after training to maximize muscle refuel and glycogen restoration. On rest days, use a smaller serving between meals to boost calorie intake without replacing whole foods. Monitor how your body responds and adjust calories by 100 to 300 per day if weight changes stall or progress is faster than desired. Consistency matters. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple guides. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money. The Simple Path to Wealth is worth a read. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to learn more. Thanks for watching and sticking with me. Now let's get back to the video. Enjoy the rest. Pairing the Mass Gainer with the right workout and meals speeds muscle growth. Focus on compound lifts like squats and deadlifts 3 to 4 times weekly, and eat whole food protein with each meal. Use the shake to fill calorie gaps, not as a sole food source, and stay hydrated throughout the day. Weigh in weekly and adjust training volume or serving size to keep steady, healthy gains for months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.